TRRS section official.
Net control.
Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I did find a net on 145.430, and it's almost 8:30. I think the net may have started about 8. I've only heard 2 people so far, and if I go to here, this is the net I'm hearing. It's on the NI4CE repeater, and it's a Saturday, and it's called the Eagle NTS net. So let me turn the audio back on, let you listen to it for a few minutes.
Come down.
Okay, the hum you're hearing is from the
TRRS, station level appointees. Station level appointees, please call now.
is from the repeater, and she's been asking for check-ins for 10 minutes. 10 minutes now, and hasn't gotten but 1 or 2.
Kilo Mike 4 Echo Charlie Quebec. Thank you for checking in tonight. Next station level.
I may have to set the squelch down a little bit. There we go.
Sarasota, Assistant Net Manager. I will be available for your traffic if you so choose.
Very nice. Thank you, Bill. Kilo November 4 Echo Charlie. Thank you for checking in. Next station level appointee, please come down.
Net control. This is Whiskey 8, Juliet, Victor, WHAJV, Dwayne. I have no traffic. Good evening, Christine.
Dwayne, Whiskey 8, Juliet, Victor. Thank you for checking in. Next station level appointee, please come down. Next control. You are really light and down in the weeds. There's a computer I copied. I copied Kilo Charlie 4, Charlie Juliet uniform, and I didn't get your name.
Boy, that,
Dan, this is Kilo 1 Charlie 3, Charlie Juliet uniform. Chris, Pasco County. Good evening to you, Christine, and the net.
Chris, Kilowatt Charlie 3, Charlie Juliet uniform. Thank you for checking in. Next station level appointee, please come down.
that repeater has got a bad hum on it, so I'm not going to record any more of it. But that's all it's been. It's just half a dozen people checking in, and that's it. So I did find something on 2 meters at 145.430, and it's the, let me go back to it, it's the NI4CE repeater. I believe that, is that in Tampa? Let's see. Repeater sites, maps. Okay, here we go. See where it shows. Oh, nice map here. This is a very, very long time popular repeater system. And you can see There's a lot of, they've got lots of repeaters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repeaters. And I believe it started, oh, no, I'm not sure. I thought we started in actually downtown Tampa someplace, but I don't see any. Oh, maybe Holiday. Maybe that's where it started. But you can see many of them are only on 70 centimeters. And this one here, which is way down here, which I'm picking up quite well, is the only one on 2 meters. So maybe I should be listening to 70 centimeters. So let's see, this one, and this actually shows that I'm outside the circle of that repeater. Of course, I'm only listening. I'm not trying to hit the repeater. Pretty cool. So I take back what I said. It's not dead here. It's just you got to know when to listen and where to listen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.